Today I wanted to show you a little Easter egg dyeing project with, I guess, stuff that we just have at home. I did not have time to order non-toxic paint pens or food coloring and things like that. And as you can see, the eggs that I expected in the food delivery are brown. So we're gonna forge ahead with what we have. So I'm going to do a marble effect with nail polish. So basically I just have old nail polish sitting around at home that I probably should have gotten rid of ages ago. But if you're using nail polish to dye your eggs, you cannot eat them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the egg out of the eggshell. So this is the first time I'm doing this, so we'll see how it goes. The first thing to do is to place a small piece of tape on the top of the egg and on the bottom of the egg to help prevent it from cracking. And you can use, I found tutorials online about using a drill bit and things like that, which I thought was a bit aggressive for an egg. So I'm going to try it with a safety pin. I've washed the safety pin. I have sewing needles as well, and the paper clip for later. So let's just try our first one and see how we get on. Oh, it worked. So I've got these two bowls to catch any egg stuff that's gonna come out. I'm gonna split, I've got 6 eggs here. I'm gonna split it into 2 and 4 because I'm actually gonna make cookies later that I need 2 eggs for. And then on the bottom, you do the same thing. So the bottom hole, you want to make slightly larger. So now, I've made the hole about 3 millimeters across on the bottom. It's quite small still on the top, but I can see some stuff is starting to leak out the bottom. So you can take a paper clip, which, as I said, I've cleaned, stick it in the bottom just to break up the stuff inside. And so they call it blowing out an egg because technically you're supposed to blow it out from the top. So let me do some swirling around first. And then we'll try to blow it out the top. And I will work on the rest of these now. Okay, and so that is the last egg. I've done 6 of them now. Just some tips if you're just getting started now that I've done a few. With the first one, I was quite delicate with it. I was worried that the shell was going to crack, but actually they held up quite well. So the pinhole in the top, you can just keep really small. The one on the bottom for the actual egg to come out, I think in the end, about 4 millimeters across was what worked best for me. Of course, you can make it smaller if you have more patience than me, or a bit bigger if you have less patience. So the next step is now all of these need to be washed in soapy water just to get rid of the any egg residue that's still inside. Please don't throw away the eggs because not everyone is able to get food right now. They will keep in the fridge for a couple days. I will probably make cookies with these two, maybe tomorrow. And then I will probably have an omelet or something for lunch. So I'm gonna go wash these and have some lunch while I wait for them to dry. So my eggs are all dry now. It was a bit difficult sort of trying to get water in them to wash out the centers, but I managed to do it and now they're all dry. A lot of the sort of Easter egg painting tutorials tell you to build like a holder for the eggs after you're done with them, but I actually couldn't find my little mat pins to actually build one. So I thought, well, not everyone has mat pins at home, so I will try to build my own little holder for the eggs to dry out of my egg crate. So let's see. So kind of worked, a little precarious, but it works. I've got 3 different colors of old nail polish here that I never used and should have thrown away a long time ago. And I thought they might look nice on the brown eggs. I'm not sure about the pink. I like the blue and the gold. So I've got cold water in my Tupperware, and I'm just gonna pour some nail polish in here and swirl it around a little bit and see what happens. It's really cool. Hopefully you can see this in the camera. And then I'm just going to put the egg. That is it. So I will wait until the eggs dry, and then I will put them maybe in a little display. So until then,